Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be doing a review. We haven't done a review in a while, so I think I'll be doing a couple of more reviews because I know I have a big audience for that on new products, and I am gonna have two reviews this week on new products. One of them's brand new, the other one's not so new, but it's new to me, and I want to share it with you because it's a good product. But the product I'll be reviewing today, as you saw in the thumbnail, is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. So if you've been living under a rock somewhere, or you're not from America, or any place that sells Kat Von D, you know that the Trooper Tattoo Liner is like the best thing that's ever happened to the brand, because that's the only product I believe that stayed ever since the brand started gaining some notoriety. I remember 8-9 years ago that liner came out, people like, maybe even more than that. I think it was one of like the first products that the brand had. And everybody loved it because it came with a bristle brush, and you know, it stayed on really well, but it was easy to apply. And you know, Kat Von D being a tattoo artist, he was really inspiring to people because it was like a calligraphy pen, and that just caught on, and people were like, this is amazing and we're gonna keep buying this. So this year they came out with the tattoo liner called Dagger. So it looks like this, and it has a little bit of an angle to it. So I don't know if you can see, but you can see it's like a little bit angled. And a lot of the times when something is like this, it usually screams, use me to do a wing eye or a cat eye. And we'll be trying this out today to see how well I can achieve that look. But I was playing with it a little bit, and I noticed that I like it for other types of looks. You know, like there's actually a little bit more precision to this, and I want to show you an application today so you can see what it looks like. If you had never tried an eyeliner like this before, you have to shake it. That's how you get the product to the end, so you can get the most pigment. So let me zoom in and I'll bring you guys in and we'll try it out. So just a quick disclaimer, I have never tried this product out. I've tried it on my hands and that's it, but I never applied it on my eyes. This is my very first time applying this on my eyes, so we'll see what happens. I'll start with the wing because that's what I'm most comfortable with, and then we'll do something different on the other eye. Okay, so far I had a very easy time drawing this, getting the shape right, getting it filled in. There is a little bit of pressure that this applies to the skin, so you can like drag it nicely. But let's see how it performs, you know, doing the line. Fuck, I already fucked it up. Okay, I like it a lot, but I don't know if you can see, there's not a huge amount of uniformity. Like, it's not 100% black. It definitely dries a little patchier than when you use the regular type of eyeliner. So now I'm feeling that maybe this is better with another eyeliner, but this is good to sketch out the shape because you have a lot of control of the shape. But because it's really fine, you're probably better off using a second eyeliner to make sure it's 100% black, because there's a little patchiness, you know, and I could go back over and saturate those areas, but I feel like that's a waste of eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna actually do the waterline underneath the lashes, just to make things a little bit more uniform. And actually I'm gonna close out the the liner on the bottom too. See if that works well with this. Okay, there we go. It was a little struggle putting it on the bottom. Like I felt like I had to create a little pool of liquid eyeliner to dip back into to get what I wanted, you know, because it kept drying on the tip, which is kind of annoying. Usually most eyeliners do that. One good thing though about this eyeliner, because the tip is angled and it's kind of like very fine to the point, I can nestle it in between like areas on the inner corner and I can get a really fine, consistent line. Okay, this required a lot of focus to get it like this, but eventually I was able to get it in. Okay, I'm actually very proud of myself right now for doing this. So this looks really good. I think I figured out how to use this eyeliner. So I was having trouble because it would keep drying on the tip as I was applying it, you know, because it uses not a lot of product on the tip once it gets there. So by creating a pool, I was able to re-wet the eyeliner and then apply it again to make it opaque. But this looks really nice. I think I'm gonna extend this wing out a little bit to see if I still have control if I'm like going way out. Okay, there we go. It worked pretty well. I was able to do the second pass. I feel like it does work better if you go twice over the same area to make it darker. I wonder if you can close it and make it straight, or if you're just gonna make it look stupid. Yeah, I think it's gonna make it look stupid. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, so on this side, I'm gonna do something similar, but not really. I wanna try like drawing over and around the eye. And some of you may be like, what the fuck are you doing? But it's a legit look. I saw it in, I don't remember where I saw it, but I saw it somewhere. And it was like in a fashion show or something, and I thought it was really cool. Okay, it came out really fucked up. Like it did not do what I thought it was gonna do. So it kind of confirmed what I thought on this side too, doing this side. I know it looks crazy, but it looks cool somewhere. Okay, give me a break. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out and give you some final thoughts with this look on. Okay, so you can see definitely this side came out good. This one came out okay. Like it was really hard to do what I was trying to do with this eye. But I'll tell you this, so I like this eyeliner a lot. It's really good for drawing fine lines and for drawing something graphic. If you're trying to do for the wing line, this is great for it. However, when you try to fill in your wing line, that's when you start having trouble, because as you apply it, it kind of draws in between the line and it dries very quickly on the tip. So it's not gonna go nice and liquidy all the way through unless you actually create a pool of liner and you just kind of like dip it in back in there to get the liquid going again. So what I would recommend is if you want something like this, you can use it to kind of draw your shapes out first, and then you can use another liquid liner or like a pot liner to fill it in and do the thicker parts. And that's how you can use this one. But by itself, it's a little bit challenging unless you want something very, very thin and very, very casual. Then you can probably get something, you know, like an easy look from it. I hope you guys enjoyed the review today. Let me know if you try this liner, what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified when I have a new video. And don't forget to like and share the video. I'll see you guys on the next one.